Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have SKULLCANDY Dime free earbuds and I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix that earbuds automatically starts to pause and play your music. So, at first you have to wear the earbuds and check when the error occurs. If the error occurs when you're running or something like that, it might be the buttons. If it's not for the buttons, you have to check the player or music application in question, check if it has stopped running or crashed. Update the player or music application to its later version and try again. If it didn't help you, the best thing you can do is doing factory settings, resetting your headphones to the factory settings. If it didn't help you, you have to contact device support. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.